Hello students, let us continue exercise 11a, compound interest. Find the amount and the compound interest of rupees 2500 for 2 years at 10% per annum, compounded annually. Find the amount and the compound interest on this principal for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. Now we write principal equal to rupees 2500. This is your sum. Given time is 2 years. Rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. Formula of amount is P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power T. Now we write the value of P rupees 2500 plus 1 can write 1 upon 1 plus value of rate is 10% per annum. So we write 10 upon 100. Value of time is 2 years. So we write power 2, that is 2. Now rupees 2500 upon 1 upon 1, 0 0 cancel out. We get 1 upon 10 whole power 2. Now take 10 as LCM. 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10. Take 10 as LCM. 10. 1 into 1 10 is 10 plus 1 into 10 1 is 10, that is 1. We get 10 plus 1 upon 10, that is 11 upon 10. This is your rough work. 11 upon 10 whole square. So we write 11 upon 10, that is 2 times. So we write 11 upon 10 multiply 11 upon 10. Rupees 2500 multiply 11 upon 10 multiply 11 upon 10. Rupees 2500 multiply 11 upon 10 multiply 11 upon 10. 0 0 cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. We get rupees 25 multiply 11 multiply 11, that is 121. Now 121 multiply by 25, we get rupees 3025. Compound interest, formula of compound interest, amount minus principal. Value of amount is rupees 3025 minus value of principal is rupees 2500 minus 2500. We get rupees 525. Rupees 525. Now do question number 2, 4 and 6 yourself, same as question number 1. Question number 2, 4 and 6. Now we discuss question number 3. Find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on rupees 5000 for 2 years at 9% per annum. Principal equal to rupees 5000, time equal to 2 years, rate of interest equal to 9% per annum. Simple interest equal to principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. Value of principal is rupees 5000 multiply value of rate is 9 multiply 9. Value of time is 2 multiply 2 upon 100. 2 0 2 0 cancel out. 52 is 100. 100 multiply 9, 900. Rupees 900. Simple interest is rupees 900. Now we find the value of amount, principal 1 plus R upon 100 whole power T. Principal is rupees 5000. Rupees 5000 plus 1 can be write 1 upon 1 plus value of R. Value of R is 9. 9 upon 100 whole power 2. rupees 5,000 bracket, take 100 as LCM, we get 100 plus 9, 109 upon 100 whole square. Now we write 109 two times, so we write rupees 5,000 multiply 109 upon 100 multiply 109 upon 100. Now we calculate 20 cancel out, 50 1 ja 50, 50 2 ja 100. Now 109 multiply 109, that is 9 9 ja 81, 9 1 ja 9, 0 multiply 9, 0, 0 multiply 0, 0 multiply 1, 0. Next by 1, 1 9 ja 9, 1 0 0, 1 1 ja 1, 1 plus 8 plus, sorry, 1, 8, 9 9, 18, 1 as it is. 11,881. 11,881 divided by 2, we get 2 5 ja 10, 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 2 0 0, 2 5 ja 10. That is 0.5. Rupees 5,940.50. Now we find the compound interest. Formula of compound interest: amount minus principal. Value of amount is rupees 5,940.5 minus rupees 5,000. That is rupees 940.5. Rupees 940.5. Can we write 940.50? This is your compound interest. Now again repeat: 1 upon 1 plus 9 upon 100. Take 100 as LCM. 1 into 100 divided by 1, we get 100. 100 is 100. So we write 100 as quotient plus 9 multiply 100 1 ja 100, that is 1 1 as quotient. We get 100 plus 9 upon 100. We write 109 upon 100. So we write 109 upon 100. 109 upon 100. This is your rough work. Now we find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Now difference between simple interest and compound interest. Here value of compound interest is 940.50 greater than value of simple interest, that is rupees 900. So we write compound interest minus simple interest. Rupees 940.5 minus rupees 900, we get rupees 40.5. Now we write rupees 40.50. This is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest. Now question number 5, do yourself same as question number 3. Now do question number 1 to 6 in your fair notebook. Thank you.